We are back with Dr. John Kressel of Phoenix Cyberknife with one of his patients, Jim Zigman. Great to have both of you with us. We were bragging on you just a minute ago and the amazing road to recovery that you've been on. But first, Dr. Kressel, why did Jim come to see you?
Well, the first time I saw Jim, he had just recently been diagnosed with prostate cancer, and he was in the process of going to different centers to try and understand what his treatment options were.
Yeah, so when you got to Cyberknife, Jim, you said you were full-blown cancer, stage 4. Why did you pick Cyberknife?
You know, from the moment you walk in, Stephanie was there to greet me. She greeted me almost like I was an older brother or an uncle or a friend or something. And then the rest of the experience, everyone that I met, from the nurse that took me in to do my vitals to when I met Dr. Kressel, it was just amazing.
So you had prostate cancer. When you heard that, you clearly were trying to find ways to treat it. And you looked at other alternatives?
Yeah, I looked at other alternatives, but every place I went to, people were in wheelchairs and they were on oxygen. And that's not the experience that you have when you go to Cyberknife.
Yeah, walk us through that experience.
So what I found was once I got in there and we were ready to start the treatments, they put me in a little, not a full body cast, but a little body cast image, so that when you're in the machine and it's rotating, that you don't have to worry about moving and having the beam go where it's not supposed to go.
Yeah.
But the most important thing was that when I met with Dr. Kressel, he literally looked at me and said, "I've got this."
We just
I
talked
knew.
about that, yeah. And how did that make you feel?
It made me feel like he really personally cared about me.
That's got to make you feel good, Dr. Kressel, because here you are with a patient who's scared, doesn't, want to make the wrong choice in treatment, and you said he was a perfect candidate.
Yeah, I mean, the whole thing is just trying to understand the patient and understand it's their first time, so they've got a lot of questions. We just want to be a resource for them to let them know what their options are so they can make the best choice for themselves.
How did Jim's treatment compare to the alternatives?
Well, in this case, we provided a treatment that involved being as precise as possible to treat just the tumor and protect all of the surrounding tissues, so he didn't have a lot of side effects.
How are you feeling today, Jim?
I feel great.
Do you? I can imagine, because one of your friends also went through Cyberknife, right?
Oh yeah, another friend of mine went through it and he had the same results I did. And my results started at 437. And the average...
And tell us what 437 is.
So 437 is your PSA number.
Okay.
And a normal is about 4 when they start wanting to start taking tissue samples.
Wow.
So at 437 and normal is 4, I was completely scared.
Yeah, absolutely. How are you today?
Today I'm at 0.8.
Yes. And that is amazing. And you feel good. You have a little pep to your step, right?
Yeah, I'm back to the way I was before.
Absolutely. And I love that he named Stephanie. We don't know who you are, Stephanie, but clearly you had a major impact on Jim and all of the patients there. And you would recommend Cyberknife?
Oh, without a doubt.
Absolutely. And what cancers do you treat in addition to prostate cancer, Dr. Kressel?
Pretty much everything from head to toe. Common ones are brain and spine and lung and breast and pancreas and prostate and colorectal and bone, and so it's a useful treatment for all kinds of prostate.
Yeah, so basically...
all types of cancer, I'm sorry.
All types of cancer. So the bottom line is, if you have a cancer diagnosis, go to Cyberknife and see if you are a good candidate. Well, I'm so happy for you, Jim. Continued healing your way, and let's give you some information. If you have any questions for Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center, please email them at info@pcroc.com. They are located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard. They are in Phoenix. Call 602-441-3845 or visit phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.